Apple needs a website to sell their watch, right? You need a gorgeous site. I could build a site like this, guys, in GrooveKart Studio in 10 minutes. I'm not kidding you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to actually show you. So what people are using Shopify, they're being told to send people directly to the cart, and you can't make money that way. You simply can't. In certain products you can, but certain products you can't. And it's called going storeless. It means getting out of the store and getting into this one pager. And there are products out there for Shopify, and if you ask me, the pages suck. They just, you've got to go in and do all the work. I'm sorry that, there's a couple of good ones. Don't get me wrong. There are a couple of good ones. All right. Let me show you what happens over here when you actually click buy. All right. So ready. I'm just at apple.com. I'm a site, there's navigation. When I click buy, you notice, let's pick a model over here. If you notice, we go to shop, apple.com/shop, and now we're in what we're known as the typical Amazon. This is called the checkout process. Shopify thinks you're going to make money with your checkout process. It's not going to happen. And the people in here that are making money, type 1 in the chat if you're making money because you had to use a one-pager with a third-party page builder that you paid extra for, or ClickFunnels. Type 1 in the chat for me. All right. So Tracy says 1. Jim David says 1. Exactly. Okay. So let's go back to DJI Spark. DJI Spark does the same thing. They have a website. This is called a master, the hero image. This right here, let's pick a product. Actually, we got to pick a product. Let's pick the Spark because it's the one that I own. Okay. So now this is what I call a left to right. This is left text with a right image. These are testimonials. This is another main image talking about a gallery, right? Remind me to put a gallery in here if you want. All of these different things, right? And a footer, right? And at the top, there's some navigation. I'm going to build this in less than 3 minutes. Are you guys ready? Excited to see this? Less than 3 minutes? Type 1 in the chat if you're excited to see this. And while I'm building it, you can type that 1 in the chat. So let's go back to GrooveKart here. And go into my builder. Ready? And let's go. So first of all, I've got over 450 pre-made blocks that are just absolutely gorgeous. So we need a header. So, okay, let's just drag this over here just like that. And I got a header. Well, that's not the background image I want. So, okay, then what we do is we simply click over here and I click on background. And I have my image already up because you don't need me spending time here looking for it. And I've got an image. But the thing is, you can't see this text. So I'm simply going to make this text white. Okay, just go like that. My text is now white. Let's center it. Just like that. I hit apply and you can see it better. But I'm going to diffuse this a little bit. So I'm going to take this color of my background. Go back here to my background. Click on this. And I'm going to make it blue because that's my site colors, but I'm going to diffuse it a little bit like this. And just like that, see what I just did? Let's also do this. Let's put a footer in there. I need a nice footer. So alphabetical order, I take this footer and whoops, I just drag it in just like this. And let's make it what I call GrooveKart blue. This is my blue of my footer at my site, just like that. Now, if I want to get rid of this one because I don't need it, I just hit remove. I want to clone this one. I need a couple more. I'll just hit clone, clone, clone. I can go into any of these things here and I can type here like this, hello world, just like that. I can link to my site and just put my buy button link here and send them right to my checkout page. Okay, but let's also just put a couple of other things. Remember I said something about the left to right? Well, that's known as content. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my content and I'm going to go left to right. I'm just going to drag that one in right there. And I've just created, that's actually a right to left image. So let's go here. But this doesn't match my colors. Well, don't worry. We simply just make this white like this. Okay, now I'm white. I make this one gray. I make the next one white. Let's add the features. We saw that over there. Right, I've obviously got to go in and put the text in, but you guys don't want me to do that. You get the picture. Didn't we say something about a gallery, I believe, right? I can actually put a gallery in? No. Mike, did you actually build a page for DJI Spark? Well, it kind of looks like I did, right? I can build this in minutes. We need a pricing page, right? Because I got a couple of different prices. Ooh, let's put this one here. Oh, you know what? I put that in the wrong spot. Let's just drag that to where I want that. Okay, bam. Going to put that underneath here and put this one above that. There we go. We swapped it out. And now my pricing is down here where I want it. I want to change my price. I think you get the point. $39.99, just like that. And I can change the colors, the fonts, the button colors. I want this one to stand out. So I'm going to make it, the red color here like that. All that type of stuff, guys. I can change the text to buy now. Okay, but I'm not even done. This isn't just a page builder, guys. I can also go in here and add navigation. So I'm going to do this quick. I can put here about. So I made my About Us page. I need a features page. So let's add a page called Features, Features. I need another page called Contact. All right, let's add a page called Contact, Contact. And I've added it. Great. And let's just put some stuff here so that when I navigate through it, it looks like that, right? So let's go. I need, some contact. I'm going to not spend any time adding this stuff here. I can edit the text. Let's go now to my About Us page, and let's talk about, who are the heroes in this company. All right, so I need blocks over here. So I would go down to, those are my saved. Let's go to the team, all right? And let's pick these superstars right here. These are the people that built the company. Bam, just like that. Okay, and let's also go to the features. I didn't do that yet, right? So for features, we need some features. Hey, look at that. I've got features that I can do. I did that for a reason. Okay, right? So that way, when I navigate through these pages, guys, you can see that I'm actually building a site. So now that I'm my index, I can just change this over here to features. And just like that, I link to the features page, save. Now over here, I need this to go to, what do we have? The About Us page, right? So I link to the About Us page. If I want to go to another page, like over here, I simply put the link, AOL.com, or my buy button, right? My contact. I can go over here and I can just go to my contact page that I made, just like that. I can also do things like I can go to a block down the page, like my pricing, and then it'll scroll all the way down. All right. And then what I do, guys, is I simply go over here into my site settings, and I simply, oops, I had to save it. And I think this is very important that, let me just get out of here because I need it. If I move too fast, sometimes it can get finicky. But basically what I do is I name my site. I'm just going to call this Cool Drones. Oops. And over here, I'm going to put it in a folder called Cool Drones. And check this out, guys. I can even make my GrooveKart store this. Like, right? DJI Spark wants their homepage to be the site that they built out, right? And then they want to link to the store separately. So with GrooveKart, you can actually make this your store that I just built and override your store with your drop downs and your categories. So I just hit save like this. Okay, and now, yeah, I'm all set. And then I go over here, folks, and I hit upload. And I just hit, what pages do I want to change? And I go like this. And now it takes about a minute to propagate in the internet. But if I were to go to video.groovekart.com / I think it was Cool Drones, my little site would be there. Okay. Are you guys excited? Let me know in the chat if this is pretty badass, if this is exciting. All right. You guys are already saying, wow, this is amazing, excited. Okay, this is just one cool factor that you guys are getting. I built a site just like this. I'm going to give you guys a little hint. What else was built using GrooveKart Studio? What other site was built using GrooveKart Studio? Ready? Let's take a look. Let's go over here to groovekart.com. Well, guess what? Does this look familiar? A hero section with an image, a features section, a left to right. Oh, look, parallax scrolling, a right to left. Oh, a testimonial. Yeah, let's add one of those. Those help. I want to put a hero testimonial right here, just like this. Just go to my testimonials. Forgot to do that. Change the image and the text of the person. Okay. And if you notice, that testimonial is right over here at groovekart.com. Just like that. This is a right to left, more parallax, more features, another block. Oh, check this one out. How did I do that? Okay. Well, that was a pretty cool. I think that was called content. I believe. So I just go down like this, and I want something just like I see on GrooveKart Studio at GrooveKart.com. And let's see. If I don't see it here, then sometimes I get confused because we also have something called features. So maybe it's a feature of the features. Now there it is. Look at that. I just moved that over. Does that look familiar? Mike, are you telling me you built GrooveKart.com? Well, how do you change the icon colors, and how do you get icons there? Well, I just go in here like this, and I type in that I want a plane, and I make it blue because that's my site colors, and like that, it changes. Yeah, guys, I built this page at GrooveKart.com. It took me about 4 hours, and it took me about 3 days to write all the copy. I'm not going to BS you. You know how to come in here and write all of this stuff, okay? But there you go, guys. You get this free, included with GrooveKart. Included, all the apps, everything like that. All right, is that exciting, guys? GrooveKart Studio, was that pretty cool? Yes, you can use your own domain. Absolutely, it's got. Let me run through here real quick. Some stuff that we didn't cover. All right, remember. We made it easier to use. I think I'm proving that. We made it more affordable. We're proving that. You can take PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net. Next year, we're doing GrooveKart payments where we'll do the processing for you. We made it better. Okay, and what that means is we're mobile responsive, so we're faster than other e-commerce websites, and we're designed to sell on mobile. You know, 60-80% of sales for e-commerce are happening on mobile devices, and these things, Matt's going to show you, you can have a sticky button. Oh man, it's just click a button, yes or no. No buying apps, researching, finding out that it doesn't work or there's a better one a month later, all that stuff. It's just all included. Yeah, import your Shopify with one click. If anybody was on yesterday and we were having a problem with the images, that's been fixed. One-click upsells, yeah, not only that, you can build funnels with GrooveKart Studio, Page Builder, and you've got one-click upsells, downsells, pre-transactions, upsells, order bumps. People that bought this also bought that, more stuff. You want a custom domain? Yeah, tinylittledrones.com. Just go in, set it up, hit enter, and now you won't be anymore at mikefulsame.groovekart.com. You'll be at tinylittle.drones.com. We got a store designer. I'm going to show you that. You can add coupons, discount, day sales, all that type of stuff. We've got international settings. We've got tax. We've got multiple currencies. We've got multiple languages. We've give you free deal. We cut with FTC Guardian. So you've got privacy policy and all that stuff and GDPR. We've got training. We've got the builder. We've got the 250, it's really 450 blocks that you just drag and drop. Okay. We've got, this says coming soon. Check this out.